Hello guys, I am Sudeshna Mitra and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now the spooky month of October is here. And that's mean, yes right, Halloween is here. Yes, I know that we in India don't celebrate Halloween that much. But as a reader, we can enjoy that vibe of Halloween by reading some great spooky horror book, isn't it? So today I am going to suggest or recommend 5 brilliant horror books or brilliant spooky kind of books. Not only spooky, I put one mythology book as well, as because it's the October month is all about these things, right guys? So without blabbering much, now let's watch the video. So the first book that I will recommend today is The Graveyard Book by Neil Gaiman. This book is a story about a boy named Nobody Owens. He is known to his friends as Bod, and he is a normal boy. He would be completely normal if he didn't live in a graveyard, being raised and educated by ghosts. Yes, and also there are dangers and adventures for Bod in this graveyard, but it is in the land of the living that real dangers lurks, for it is there that the man Jack lives, and he has already killed Bod's family. It is a amazing masterwork by the author Neil Gaiman, and the illustration of this book is really good, and you can read it in this Halloweeny mood, and it will go like smoothly, it will make smoothly with this vibe of this month. The second book I'll recommend is A Face in the Dark and Other Hauntings, collected story of the supernatural by Ruskin Bond. Yes, our favorite author Ruskin Bond, without whom our childhood would be bland as hell. It is a collection of many horror stories written by Ruskin Bonds, and it is paranormally great, and you can relive your childhood, those horror nights, those spooky nights of childhoods, when you sit in a dark room and read about these books. Isn't it great? The third book of the day is Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. It is basically a story of Victor Frankenstein, who is a brilliant but eccentric scientist. He creates a creature with body parts of dead human beings and gives life to it. The creature longs for companionship, but his master shuns his creations as something abominable. Spawned by his creator, the creature goes on a murderous rampage. Now, isn't it a great combination with these books in this spooky month of October? Fourth book of the day is an absolute favorite book of mine, and the name of this book is Caroline, and it is written by, again, Neil Gaiman. Now this book is really creepy books, guys, and when you read it you cannot sleep peacefully in night, and I can assure you that. So the back of these books you can find a writing, you can find a sentence that goes that sometimes a door is closed for a very good reason. And believe me guys, please, this is really a thing to believe. Now this is a story about a little girl, Caroline, who moves in a new house with his parents, and there she founds a door that don't open, that is sealed, a sealed door. But as a little girl, she is curious about what is behind of that door, and one day she opened it, and oh my god, what happened after that? I will not tell you, that is a spoiler. It will creeps you out, I am assuring you that. So the fifth book of the day is that mythology book that I told you before. So the book is Norse Mythology again, Neil Gaiman. Neil Gaiman is actually my favorite author, you can say that. So it is Norse mythology. You can find the myths about Norse gods here. So you can read it in this month, and it will go well with this environment. I have the white edition of this book, you can see. You can find also black and red edition in the Amazon as well. I will give you the link of all these books in the description. You can click on those links to shop all these books. So here is all the 5 books that I wanted to recommend for this month. I really hope that you will enjoy all these books in this spooky month of October. Also, if you love mythology, it is my another recommendation. You can read Circe by Madeline Miller as well as. You can get it on discount in Amazon as well as right now I think a discount a sale is going on Amazon. So you can go there and shop these books. And so I really hope you will like all these books, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know your opinion, your valuable opinion guys, in the comment section. So take care and bye bye.